Bryant launching the drone to take a look at an enormous property in the Ozarks on Bryant Creek. This is, it's a little over 80 acres. I don't have the exact number in front of me here, unfortunately, but a little bit over 80 acres. East of Springfield, Missouri. We're actually parked quite a ways into the property. We parked on one of the cleared sites and launched from there, and now we've gone up. We're looking northwest at the property, and we're backing up until we can see the county road, which we know will be at the far east side of the property. Heavily wooded, as you can see. There on the right, you can see Bryant Creek. Bryant Creek borders the entire northeast side of the property for about 3/4 of a mile, which is pretty unbelievable. Look at that canopy of mature timber. It's gorgeous. And that looks like Bryant Creek down there. We're going to zoom in and we should see the concrete bridge over Bryant Creek. That's going to be it in about the center there. So we're basically facing due west right now. That's the bridge over the creek. Bryant Creek on the right, and then just to the left side of the bridge on the far side of the road is the private driveway on the property. You can actually see it, but it just looks like an open area right now. There, we're zooming in on it. There's a cable with some red flags over it. And that's going to be the property there, the far east side. So that, and there's Bryant Creek, of course. So the trail starts at Panther Hollow Road and goes directly onto the property. The property borders Panther Hollow Road. And then that trail goes back to the west a pretty good ways, but I mean, it's a big property. The trail doesn't go through the entire thing. And there's Bryant Creek. Beautiful creek, it's spring fed. And actually this is right up by the headwaters of Bryant Creek, so it's very nice and clear. This property, the 80 acres, borders the Cedar Gap Conservation Area along the north side of the 80 acres. And the conservation area is actually the headwaters of Bryant Creek. So the actual headwaters of the creek are within less than a mile north of the north side of this property. So that's one of the reasons that Bryant Creek is so very clear at this property is it's the very start of the creek. Gorgeous timber. We've seen so many different species of trees on this property. But some of the big ones are white oak and red oak, hickory trees, and then a ton of black walnut trees, which is really exciting. They're a valuable tree. And then a ton of large sycamore trees as well. We happen to just love the look of sycamores. And it's not that they're extremely rare, but they only grow in certain conditions. So the sycamore tree needs a good water source to get its roots down into. So you'll see them in the banks of large ponds or lakes, and sometimes rivers and creeks, and that's the case here. Bryant Creek has got hundreds of mature sycamore trees around the edges of it. And if we get in a little closer, they're easy to spot because their top branches, the bark peels off and exposes the white underbelly, or whatever it's called, on the tree. So sycamore trees are easy to see. And now we're just checking out the property and the area. Turning back around, so we'll be facing southeast in a moment here. There we go. Just a gorgeous, peaceful valley. So you've got Bryant Creek running down essentially the center of the valley, and the property is going to be, as we look this direction, the property's on the right side of Bryant Creek, or right side of the center. Very peaceful, very private, but only about 5 miles from Highway 60, which is the main east-west road in southern Missouri. And from Highway 60, if you go west for about 35, 40 miles, you'll be in Springfield, Missouri, which is the largest city in southern Missouri by far. Springfield's fantastic. Hundreds of stores and restaurants and several colleges and hospitals, and a nice, I guess you'd say a small town airport, which is large enough to get actual real planes in and out, which is nice, and a lot of direct flights, so you can get anywhere from Springfield. And if you live just about anywhere, you can fly into Springfield, even if it takes 1 or 2 connecting flights, but there are quite a few direct flights as well. And then if you rent a vehicle, a truck or SUV preferably, you can be at your property in really an hour or less from the airport. Okay, we're trying to see if we can get a bead on where the truck is parked, I believe, because that was in one of the cleared sites coming off of the driveway on the property. We wanted to see where that was. This is not a super long video, and we really didn't get to look at the creek very much, but we got a nice overview of the property, summertime view. Check out the listing page at InstantAcres.com. It's very rare for us to have a property this large. Even 20 years ago, it was getting harder for us to find properties of this size. And then over the last 20 years, as things have gotten sold and things have gotten split up, it is very unusual for us to have a property this large. So we're excited about this one. And to have Bryant Creek on it to boot for over 3/4 of a mile is pretty amazing. Pretty unbelievable. We've been super stoked about this property. Bryant Creek gets quite large as it gets down to the south and then flows into Norfolk Lake down in Arkansas essentially, but here toward the headwaters, quite a bit smaller, as we said, and spring fed. So you can see in the video it is running, but I'm sure there will be times of the year if you go out here where it's probably not running to this extent, or there might just be pools of water or whatnot. But we do have a few videos where we are checking out some of the pools of water, and the creek really isn't flowing much at all, but the pools of water do have minnows in them, which is a pretty good sign that there's water in a creek for a good portion of the year. Otherwise it can't support any minnows at all. So InstantAcres.com, complete owner financing on everything we sell through our website. We make it extremely easy to buy good quality real estate in the Ozarks. So southern Missouri, northern Arkansas. This piece is in southwestern Wright County, Missouri. As we said earlier, only about 40 miles east of Springfield, Missouri. Fantastic property. InstantAcres.com. You can give us a call if you have any questions. You can hit up our website, or you can email us at sales@instantacres.com.